Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this pattern. I'm really excited to do this and I hope you guys are too. Yeah, it's a Rubik's brand. So the first thing you need to decide is which colors you want to include in your pattern. In this case, blue, white and orange. It's always the front side, upside and right side that will be included in the pattern. The other side will be yellow, red and green, obviously. So what you do is F, L prime, D, F prime, U, B, U, F, U prime, F, R prime, F2, L, U prime, R prime, D2. There you have it. That's the pattern, and on the other side it's the same. So this was it for the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you make this pattern and decide to post it on Instagram, yeah, let me know and I'll shout you out. Thank you for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.